So hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh and this is the another sequel of class 10 science project in chemistry. I have already given you in my previous video, that is experiment number 5a. Now we will see experiment number 5b. In the experiment number 5a, we have took the several metals like zinc, iron, copper, aluminium that we have reacted with zinc sulfate, and this time same metals we are just trying to do reaction with iron sulfate. Now write the experiment number 5a, 5b. Now your aim, what is the aim? To observe the action of zinc, iron, copper, aluminium metals on the aqueous solution of ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 aqueous. Now same thing we have to follow what we have done in 5a. Purpose. What is the purpose? To arrange the metals according to the reactivities. Now requirements. This time solution of ferrous sulfate, test tubes, and remain the same pieces of metals, namely zinc, iron, copper, aluminium. This thing we required. Now basic principles involved. Previously, before starting the experiment, we will see the original colors of the various various solutions. Zinc sulfate, make a chart like this, name of the substance, formula of the substance, and original color of the solution. Now zinc sulfate, copy this as it is, pause the video, copy it. Zinc sulfate, that is ZnSO4, ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, copper sulfate, CuSO4, and aluminium sulfate, Al2SO4 whole 3. Now, what are the original colors of these solutions? Zinc sulfate is colorless. Iron sulfate, light green. Copper sulfate, blue. Aluminium sulfate, colorless. So the first one, last one is colorless, and in the middle light green and blue. Okay, this what? A. Now come to B. What is B? Reactivity of metals. If metal X replaces metal Y from the solution, then what happens? Two things. Metal X is more reactive than metal Y, or else we can write metal Y is less reactive than metal X. Both you have to write, no need of or else. Now next, if metal Y replaces metal X, from its aqueous solution, then Metal Y is more reactive than metal X. Metal X is less reactive than metal Y. Now this is what the basic principles. Now the steps of procedure for interaction of metals with ferrous sulfate solution. Take 4 clean test tubes and paste a strip of paper on each one. Mark the test tubes as A, B, C and D respectively. Take ferrous sulfate solution in each test tube. Dip a clean piece of zinc metal in the solution of test tube A. Dip a clean nail of iron in the solution of test tube C. Now iron nail B. Dip a clean wire of copper in the solution of test tube C. Dip a clean wire of aluminium metal in the solution of test tube D. So after doing this, we will see the observations, we will record it. So record our observations as shown in the table. You have to write interaction of zinc, iron, copper, aluminium metal with the ferrous sulfate solution. Now make a chart like serial number, experiment, observations and inference. Pause the video, make a chart. Now, serial number in A, same as we have done in the 5A, but there we have took zinc sulfate, but here we will see iron sulfate, that is ferrous sulfate. So solution of ferrous sulfate plus zinc metal. The original green color of the solution fades and finally becomes colorless. This gray deposit, there is a gray deposit on zinc metal. Now what is the inference? Zn ions replaces iron ions from the solution. Thus, Zn is more reactive than Fe. Now, B, Solution of ferrous sulfate plus iron metal. What we observed, there is no change. And in friends, there is equilibrium between iron ions and iron metal, iron. Equilibrium. C. Now solution of ferrous sulfate, and this time we have changed the metal, copper metal. What do we observe? There is no change in the original color of this solution. Why? Why no effect? Because copper is less reactive than iron. Now D. Solution of ferrous sulfate plus aluminium metal. What happens? The original green color of the solution fades and finally becomes colorless. There is gray deposit on the aluminium. There is a gray deposit on the aluminium metal. The ions of aluminium means aluminium ions replaces iron ions from the solution. Thus, Al is more reactive than iron. And at last, conclusion. From the experimental observations, of interaction of Zn Fe, Cu and Al with iron sulfate FeSO4 in the bracket Aq, it is concluded that what we have concluded, that Zn is more reactive than Fe, zinc is more reactive than iron, copper is less reactive than iron, and aluminium is more reactive than iron. So that's all in this video, my dear students. This is 5B. So we will see you in the another video with another topic. Till then, goodbye.